a German Gasthaus and you order a schnitzel and you don't hear this, something's not right.
Hi, I'm Marcus from Alter Keller. Now I show you my secrets from pork Schnitzel Wiener Art. Now it's dead. My dead pork. I use a little bit of salt. So we used flour.
That's just a white flour, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fresh egg.
Fresh egg? Nothing else? Just egg?
Just egg.
Okay.
No milk, no cream, just egg.
This is the secret ingredient here, right?
Yeah.
So what's in the secret ingredient?
That's fresh rose.
Okay. Just a light coating of the breading then.
Yeah, you have to use it like a woman.
What do you mean? I don't know. I have no experience in those matters.
Like a massage.
Like a massage. Oh,
Yeah.
I see.
We do the schnitzel in hot butter. It's like wellness.
Okay. How do you know when the butter is the right temperature?
It's my private feeling.
Okay. You don't stick your finger in it, do you?
No,
How do you know when it's ready? How do you know when it's done?
I'm a professional. I know I have it in my feeling. When you see the bubbles,
Yes.
then it's all ready. Slice of lemon.
I think it's ready to eat, don't you?
Yeah.
Guten Appetit.
My turn?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to try to prepare the... Which side do I use? This flat one or this one?
This one.
Okay,
Yeah.
that looks like it hurts. Okay,
Yeah.
let's try it.
It's better for the fingers.
Better for the fingers.
Yeah.
Okay, all right, I'll try not to hit... Okay, here we go. Okay. All right, okay, so... All right.
If you want to meet and greet with James, please call 911.